Hello friends, today's topic, good monsoon predicted 5 stocks that may go up. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. The monsoon season will be starting in a few weeks in South India. So far the prediction is that India will receive above average rainfall in 2024. This is a good news since good rain is very important for the rural areas which are mainly dependent on agriculture. If crop yields are good, there will be more money with the farmers, hence higher demand for various products. For many companies, rural sales are very important for their business. They may especially benefit from increase in sales during monsoon period. We are covering 5 companies that may benefit from the monsoon due to the products they sell. Some of these companies may have cyclical businesses while some may have good sales throughout the year. Number 1 stock is HUL. This is the largest FMCG company in India. It will benefit immensely when there is a good monsoon in the country. Its FMCG products are bought by the rich and poor in the country, and when large rural population purchases its products, its business improves significantly. Here is a picture of HUL products. Second company is M&M. Apart from car, it makes farm equipment. Tractors are up about 17% in April 2024 compared to April 2023. Some analysts are of the opinion that early purchase of tractors is an indicator of farmers' expectation of normal monsoon, hence getting prepared for higher yields this year. Here is the picture of M&M tractor. Third company is Hero Motocar. As per the company's announcement, it expects most of its new vehicle inquiries now coming from rural areas and sales have increased in recent months. Sales of motorcycles and scooters in India went up by 33% in the last month compared to 2023. Other two-wheelers companies may also benefit from this. Here is a picture of Hero Motocar products. Fourth company is Rallis India. It's a Tata Group company which makes insecticides, fungicides, herbicides, soil conditioners, plant nutrients, seed development and production. It also does contract manufacturing of products for global companies. Here is the picture of the products of Rallis. Fifth company is Coromandel International. It operates majorly in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Its major products are fertilizers, pesticides, micronutrients for crops. The picture of the Coromandel International products in front of you. We need to see how these companies perform during the upcoming monsoon season. However, usually their sales for the month of June, September are higher than the other months. It will be a good exercise to observe their prices for the next 1 or 2 months at least to understand how they perform. End of the video, here is a question. Do you usually invest some money for short periods in cyclical stocks? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.